When it comes to truly successful mid-class sport bikes, the Aprilia RS660 easily sits near the top of the list. It's not just popular, it's one of Aprilia's most important models ever. With its 659cc parallel twin engine, derived from the mighty RS V4, the RS660 brings that authentic Italian racing DNA to a much more attainable level. And here's the thing, it didn't just sell well. It actually reshaped the segment. Without the RS660, we probably wouldn't have seen bikes like Yamaha's R7 or R9 or KTM's 990 RCR in their current form. Even Ducati's Panigale V2 might have looked quite different. So yeah, the RS660 has been kind of a revolution starter for modern middleweight sport bikes. Because of how successful it's been, Aprilia clearly doesn't want to stop there. After the RS660 came the 210 Naked and the adventure-ready 2R Egg, but the fan favorite is still the original RS660. That's why the Noale-based brand keeps finding ways to keep it fresh and desirable. Last year, both the standard and the factory versions got some updates. The catch? The factory version costs a lot more, around 2,200 to 2,500 euros higher than the base model. So Aprilia seems to have found a clever middle ground, creating a new variant that sits right between them. And that's likely what they're testing now for 2026. Recently, spy photos taken near Aprilia's R&D facility show a new RS660 prototype riding alongside the current models. At first glance, it looks familiar, but there are some interesting details if you look closer. The fairing appears identical to the latest version, complete with those small front winglets. The engine seems unchanged too, so we can expect around 105 horsepower. The chassis setup seems like a blend of both existing trims. The front fork is the 43mm Nix 30 USD unit from the factory, while the rear shock is a fully adjustable Kayaba from the standard version. It rides on Pirelli Diablo Rosso 4 tires and keeps the sharp-stopping Brembo monoblock brakes. But one thing stands out, the front fender appears to be carbon fiber, something that's only been offered as an accessory so far. Could this become standard equipment? Maybe not, but if it does, that would be a sweet bonus. Electronics-wise, nothing seems watered down. Expect the full suite. Cornering ABS with multiple modes, wheelie control, launch control, and all the modern rider aids Aprilia usually packs into its bikes. So even if this is a mid-tier version, it doesn't look like they're cutting corners. As for the name, Aprilia might revive the classic RF badge once used on the previous gen RS-V4 RF. That means we're probably looking at the Aprilia RS660 RF. Pricing will likely sit between the base and factory versions, adding roughly 1,100 to 1,500 euros over the standard bike. If that's true, the RS660 RF could hit the sweet spot, more exclusive than the base model, yet far more affordable than the factory. Rumor has it the launch will take place at EICMA 2025 in Milan, the world's biggest motorcycle show. And if that happens, you can bet this RS will be one of Aprilia's main highlights on the Italian stage. So what do you think? Is this mid-tier RS660 RF something worth getting excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you in the next one.